Okay, I made it up to... Where the hell am I? Okay, I am in White Pond, Not in White Pond, I'm at White Pond. Well, I made it up to White Pond. It's in Kent, New York. Only about a 50-minute drive. And I think I got a nice sunrise here. I'll show you this way. It's still about a half hour before sunrise. But I found this nice pier here. Small little dock that aligns pretty nicely with the sunrise this morning. So I'm going to try to get some shots and see if we get some nice colorful reflections in the water too. Okay, just to give you some of the technical settings here. So I am at ISO 100, I'm at f9. It's giving me about a 25-second exposure right now. And you see on the camera, I have a gradual neutral density filter. So the top half of this filter is a little darker, quite a bit darker than the bottom. And so when you look this way, you see the top half of the scene is quite a bit brighter than the bottom half. And so that will allow me to balance out the scene. So let me click off a shot. The other thing I've done is I have my camera on a timer. You'll hear the beeping. So it's about a 2-second timer. Why do I do that? The issue is that you really don't want to touch the camera because with the long exposure, any movement will cause some camera shake, which you don't want. It'll be blurry. And so by doing a 2-second timer, you can have you don't have to touch the camera and thus not cause any shake. And you get a cleaner picture that way. And it's a pretty clean picture. So I found another spot on the pond. It's a little boat ramp. But we got some pretty cool colors in the sky here, so I'm gonna try a couple shots here, see how they come out. But it turned out to be a pretty nice morning, I must say. You never know what you're gonna get, but occasionally you get some really pretty clouds in the sky. And I got a good shot there. That was good.